Hi there, I am Aman and you're watching PTO classes. So, this is a subject orientation video. In this video, I am going to do the subject orientation of grade 7th English. So, in the video, you will get to know that what and how you're going to study for the coming academic session. So, our subject English, we have three sections that you have to cover in the subject, which are literature, writing and grammar, and reading. So I'm going to tell you about the three particular sections according to the exam point of view. So first there is the reading section. So the first section is reading section. I'm going to tell you about it later. Let's see what is the second section, the literature section. And the third and last section is the writing or grammar portion. But in exam, generally the question paper will start from the reading section, then there will be writing and grammar section, and we will have the literature portion at last. But I am going to explain you the three sections according to how your classes will run. Let's see the reading section. In your course you have basically two books. NCERT has prescribed two books for your literature, for your English. So the first book that I am going to show you is Alien Hand. The Alien Hand. So this is the book that is there in your course, and this book you are going to use for the reading portion. So we have the two books in the course, and it is one of those, the supplementary book. We are not going to do any fair work from this book because generally we use it for the reading portion. The comprehensive part will be from this book. We will have some general topics for the comprehensive section, but maybe few passages can come from Alien Hand. So the book Alien Hand you will study at your home, and there will be no fair notebook for this book. You will do no fair work. Now coming to the literature portion, our major book, the main textbook is, we have Honeycomb. We have done few worksheets from this book only. We have done the literature worksheets. The first chapter, which is the three questions, we have done it, and we are going to start our studies by literature only, and we will use Honeycomb for that, and we will study literature, the three questions, in our first video. So we will be studying Honeycomb in literature. For this you will make one notebook, one fair notebook you are going to make for Honeycomb. So I am going to show you the kind of notebook that you require. You will cover it with the DPS cover, and you will make a notebook like this. It is a notebook of ex-student of grade 7th. So this notebook you will use for your studies. You will make a fair notebook, and you are going to make it from your home only. You will start doing your fair work from your home only. I will tell you how you are going to do the work. So this video is very important in that perspective. So you will make one notebook for literature. Now coming to the third and last, writing or grammar portion, you are going to make one notebook for that as well. The notebook will be similar to that of literature. So you will make basically two notebooks, one notebook for literature and one notebook for grammar or writing. So what we have in writing or grammar, we are going to do writing topics like articles, letter writing, report writing, message writing, essay writing. We will do all these in writing portion. We will do them in the coming weeks. But first, in the first lesson that we will have the 3 questions. We will start with literature, and you will do, in the first video, you will do the 3 questions. We will start with 3 questions, and you will do the fair work in your fair notebook that you are going to make. See, we have done few questions in the worksheet that I have sent you. The questions are very much similar to the questions that are of NCERT, only the language is different, but it is very essential to do the NCERT questions because they are very helpful in evaluating your learning, that what you have understood from the chapter. So we will do the NCERT questions. And how you are going to do? I am going to upload the video lecture. I am going to upload the video lesson. You will see the video and you will understand, you will try to understand the chapter. Second part, it is very important that you will do fair work from PDF. It will have the NCERT solutions. Got it? So you will do the fair work from PDF that I will provide you through your WhatsApp group, and it will have the NCERT solutions of the chapter. So what you are going to do is, you will make 2 notebooks, one notebook for grammar, one notebook for literature, and you will start your first chapter in the coming week. On the day that we will give you the timetable. So on the day of English, you will go to my YouTube channel, you will go to the link that we will provide you. You will see the chapter that will be there in the video lesson, and you will see the video, and you will understand the chapter. I will explain you the chapter. I will do the reading and explanation together of the chapter. Then after that, I will provide you the PDF, and from that PDF only you will do the question answers. You will do the NCERT work in the fair notebook. So this is the work that we are going to do. And in the second week, what we will do the grammar. Writing or grammar we will cover in the second week, and I will provide you the worksheet in the similar way. I will provide you the PDF of that as well. So this is what we are going to do for the coming weeks, as the school is not open and we are under lockdown. So we will do the studies like this only. So in the coming weeks we will study the English subject according to this plan. So for the coming week we will start with 3 questions. We will start with literature, and in the second week we will go ahead with writing or grammar, and I will provide you the PDF of those topics as well. So this was the orientation video. Hope you have understood whatever I have told you, and you will work according to this plan, and I will be hopeful that you will like the videos and you will understand the concepts. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. You can comment on the video, you can write your queries on the comment section of YouTube, or you can ask to me directly from WhatsApp. So this was the video. Hope you have liked the video, and thank you. Till the next video, hope you stay at your home, you do your activities that we are sending you, you work. If you have any sibling at home, try to work together, make some creative things for your own interest, make something that is useful for you as well. Try to make some artwork, try to make some art objects, and spend a quality time at your home with your parents, and we will study like this manner, and hope you will enjoy this way of learning as well. Thank you so much for watching.